Alright, here's a quick video on the Midea U-shaped air conditioner. I get emails and comments on this thing constantly, almost every day. Recently this week, I had an email from Midea Corporation to me about the videos I've made on these AC units. And they were asking me what exactly I had done to it, if I still had my original unit, and if I wanted to send that one back so they could look at it, and they offered to send me a brand new air conditioner unit. I'll include a photo of that email so you know I'm not making this stuff up, but they were interested in, I guess, making these a little better. So what I'm going to share with you today is what I've done to this brand new one, which has been in service now since April, and this is now second week of September. I'm going to show you what I've done to it. And this unit, since I have made these changes and totally disregarded the installation that they tell you how to do these things, how to install them, I've had no issues with mildew or slinging water out of the fan into the room, none of the other issues I had with the old unit. So I'm going to start here on the inside, and I'm going to show you one of the first things I did. And of course now I don't have my flashlight on me, but anyway, I'll take my finger, and you can see I can go down inside here. I took out that black metal grill that's covering the squirrel cage that you can't get to. I just took that out with a pair of pliers and discarded it. Any of these things you're going to be doing that I'm telling you that I did, it's going to void your warranty. So this is what I did. If you do it, know if you do that, you're going to void your warranty. I didn't care if these things last for years. So that's the first and best thing I've done so far this year. All I've done is clean dust off of that wheel. No more issues with mold, mildew, or funny smells, none of that. Second thing I've done, you've got your grill here. And behind the grill, you have the filter that comes with these things, and it doesn't fit really well. It's got big gaps. Let me get rid of this piece. What I've done, as you can see here, most of that is dust and actually pollen. I live out in the woods. I've installed a pre-filter, and I've wrapped it all the way down around the coils. On the inside, there's a hole here. You can see my finger sticking up if I can find it. And this pre-filter catches most of the dust, and when you shut the cover, it actually forms a really nice seal and pretty much keeps this inner filter from getting dirty. Trying to get some best light I can give you on this. These get clogged up constantly, and the coils inside here get dirty real quick. This eliminates that. Now I'm going to take you outside real quick and show you what I did to the outside. The video's probably going to be a little shaky. I'm walking. I picked today to do this because the weather's beautiful finally. As you can see, I'm out here in the woods, so pollen is a big issue. Now, as you can see from the installation, how much of an angle I've installed this at. I tilted it back like a regular normal AC unit. This back cover, it's got like maybe 8 screws, I don't know, 3 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and I think there's one down here all the way in the middle. You got to get a long screwdriver to get to it. This back cover will come off. I drilled holes in the back corner to let the water out. I can't see my camera, hopefully I'm catching this. You can see this one here is dripping a little bit. Since I have done this, 0 issues with this unit, none whatsoever. And I absolutely love these things. Fantastic. I live completely off-grid, powered on solar. The energy efficiency on these is amazing. This uses less power per day than a little 5,000 BTU standard AC unit I got. And you can't even hear this thing run. It's fantastic. So I'm not getting any money from anybody to tell you any of this. I'm just sharing this because I get so many comments every single day on this unit. And like I said, this week I got an email from Midea asking me what I did. And they wanted my old one so they could look at it, and they were going to send me a new one. I told them I didn't need it. Don't bother. And again, I'll include a copy of that email so you know I'm not making this up. But these things are fantastic. So anyway, I hope that's a visual that helps somebody. I don't know the actual angle. I didn't bring my angle gauge out. I just tilted it back so the water drains out these holes. These are made to collect water in the pan. And the fan inside slings the water to help cool the condenser. And what that does causes a lot of problems. When you mount them flat like you're supposed to, the units were actually throwing water out of the squirrel cage into the room. Instantly moldy, stinky, terrible, pain to clean. It also contributes to electrolysis. You've got aluminum, copper, brass, and you've got electricity running through here. That creates electrolysis, which creates corrosion and just numerous other problems. So this has been going on 24 hours a day, all summer long. It's as clean as it was when I put it in. Absolutely no issues. I love these things if you make those changes. And again, if you make these changes and you got a brand new unit, your warranty's out the window. So just a heads up on that. And that's entirely up to you. All right, hope this helps somebody. I'm just getting tired of responding to emails. I get them every single day, almost every single day, I should say, and comments on the videos on the Midea units. So that's it. I hope that clarifies it. I hope that helps somebody. I'm gone.